What is up, Mechanets? Gunpla Bro here, and I have something very special for you. Roll that intro. This kit is very special. It was provided to me by my sponsor, Side7Exports.com, and I'm very excited to introduce to you that sponsor. This kit was graciously provided to me by my sponsor, Side7Exports.com. If you're in the market for Gundam-based exclusives or premium Bandai kits that are not available through Premium Bandai USA, please check them out. And if you're in the mood to buy something, feel free to use my channel sponsor code, GUNPLABRO10, to get 10% off your next purchase. Thank you, Side7 Exports. Now back to the video. As you can see, it came shipped in this beautiful bag from the Gundam Base Tokyo store. Very cool. Very nice bag. I'm probably going to frame it and hang it up on the wall. I really like the design of it. Now, let's get on to this kit. The packaging of this kit is very nice. I was very impressed with the way he bubble wrapped this kit, man. The bubble wrap is cut out in the shape of the box. You know, it's not just stuffed in there and wrapped haphazardly. Very cool. Now, let's skip over this part. You don't need to see this. Now, as you can see, the kit is the Gem Sniper Custom Premium Bandai. It's from the Origin series, something called MSD, Mobile Suit Discovery. I never quite understood what that was. I'm under the impression it's like a in-universe design committee that discovered all these unused prototype suits and just like commented on them, you know? But other than that, I'm not too sure what they mean by this. But it is a very cool suit. And as you can see here, the box is very plain. It's a premium Bandai kit. It has that sports car, motor trend, I don't know. It has that very plain looking cover, you know? But let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Very fast kit opening montage, very fast kit opening montage, very fast kit opening montage. Open up that kit, open up that kit, open up that kit. Here we have the visor of the kit. Very cool. I like that color. I love clear parts. Hope I don't crack it when I snip it out, but yeah, there we go. Clear red piece. Cool. Here we have some little feet on the D-Runner. Not much to say about it. Just some little feats. Very cool. Alright. Here we have the One Runner. And it appears to be some leg parts, some vents, the waist, torso, foot cover, and that's about it. It seems we have two E1 runners here, and they are identical, nothing different. Seems to be the exact same. But we have some ankle parts, some joint caps, the shoulders and side skirts, and some parts for the legs. Here we have F2 Runner, and it appears to be a lot of verniers and bits and bobs, inner frame type of things. Not really much to say. Nice gray color. But that's about it for that runner. Yep, very simple. Here we have G Runner, and it appears to be parts for the rifle. We got the backpack, and some parts for the head. And I'm not sure what these are. Probably little bobs for the head. I don't know. And some barrel. Looks like a barrel. Not sure. And here we have B2 Runner. It is exactly the same as the B1 Runner, except B1 has extra parts like these vents here and so on. Nothing much to talk about. And this is the A runner, the biggest runner by far in the kit. And here's the chest. Very nice. I'm not sure what this is at all. The helmet. More helmet. The neck. The front skirt. The back skirt. The waist. And the crotch, I guess. Piece of leg. And that's about it. Big boy. Cool. I was very wrong. This is by far the biggest runner on the kit. We got some manipulators. Some, I guess it's for the legs, not sure. The SMG. We have some foot caps here, some joint caps. And a bunch of bibs and bobs. You get the idea. Nice thick plastic on this runner. I really like it. Cool. And here we have some very standard beam sabers. They come with high grade kits. Very typical. Nothing to write home about. You know, whatever. And here we have polycaps. You know, polycaps. You know, whatever. It's a big runner of polycaps. You know, every kid has them. Alright, cool. And we have a big old sheet of peel and stick decals. And, you know, they're peel and stick decals. Might use the numbers. I don't know what those big black bars are, but, you know, peel and stick decals. Alright. Whatever. And here we have some color correcting stickers. Typical stuff on a high grade. Some nice cameras. I will say that there's not a lot of stickers on the sheet, which is always a good sign. And that is all for the unboxing, my mecha nuts. Once again, this kit was provided to me by Side7Exports.com. Please give them a visit. And if you plan on buying something, please use my coupon code GUNPLABRO10 to get 10% off your first purchase. Now, I'm certain you've noticed the increase in quality in this video in regards to the lighting and the audio. I recently got my hands on a new microphone, condenser mic, and a new lighting box. It's mainly used for photography, but it'll make do for now. With my limited budget, my limited means, it'll have to do. But that's pretty much it for that. All around new production. This is my first time recording a voiceover for a video, so I hope you enjoyed the sound of my new and improved voice. I hope it's not too grating, I hope it's perfect, but it probably won't be. So if you do not mind leaving any feedback or advice for recording voiceover in the comments of this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, once again, thank you to Side7Exports.com, thank you Gustavo, and thank you, the subscribers. For without you, this little passion project of mine would not be possible. And you guys are some of the most wonderful people in the world. But that is really all I have to say. Until next time, Mecha Nuts, the best is yet to come. Gunpla Bro, out.